Hello, children. Today, your vrishtimadam will teach another sound from the series of vowel sound words. So far, we have seen the 5 vowels. And in the first vowel, we are done with the apt sound words. And today, we will learn add sound words. Let's start. How to write add? We will join two sounds, a and d. This becomes add. Children, repeat after me. A, d, add, a, d, add. And do remember one thing, join letter A tail with letter D. Children, repeat after me. A, d, add, a, d, add. Join letter A tail with letter D. Okay? Always remember this thing. Any letter having tail, join them with the next letters, and those letters don't have tail, no need to join with the next letters. Now we will make 3-letter words using add sound, and for that we will add a letter before add sound. First word I am going to write lad, and we are writing like this. L having a tail, we will join L tail with add sound. Add. This becomes lad. This becomes lad. Again, repeat after me. L, add, lad. L, add, lad. Lad means क्या होता है? Boy, यानी लड़का. So we draw a boy also like this. And the next one is B. B have no tail. B, add, bad. Again, repeat after me. B, add, bad. B, add, bad. हमें बैड काम करने चाहिए? नो, नहीं करने चाहिए. सो उसके लिए हमें यहाँ पर ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है. हमें बैड काम नहीं करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, so have no tail. Okay, so add. This become sad. Repeat after me. So add, sad. So add, sad. ऐसा होता है ना, कभी हमारे अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं या हम जो काम करना चाहते हैं और वो नहीं हो पाता, तो हम बहुत सैडी फील करते हैं, हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता. ओके, सो वी आर मेकिंग अ सैड फेस हियर. सैड. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डैड नाउ. D having a tail. Okay, so we will join D tail with add sound. D, add, dad. Repeat after me. D, add, dad. Again. D, add, dad. Okay, dad means father, papa. Dad means father. Okay, अब हम यहाँ पर एक फादर बना रहे हैं. Next is mer. Mer having a tail. We will join mer tail with add sound like this. Add. This become mad. Again repeat after me. Mer. Add. Mad. Mer. Add. Mad. Mad means pagal. Mad means pagal. Next is per. Per don't have tail, so we are joining per with add sound. Per, add, pad. Repeat after me. Per, add, pad. Per, add, pad. पैड मीन्स नोट पैड होता है ना, जिस पर हम लिखते हैं, लाइक दिस नोट पैड. दिस इज अ नोट पैड. ओके, नाउ रिवाइज द वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन इज ल, एड, लैड. सेकेंड ब, एड, बैड. थर्ड स, एड, सैड. Fourth is d, add, dad. Fifth is m, add, mad. And the last one, p, add, pad. So children, today your homework is to pronounce and write all the words which you have learned today and match those words with the pictures. Thank you.